Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about tablet should replace textbooks. As we know, textbooks are learning tools that are used since then. It is the oldest method that is used by people all over the world. Nowadays, tablets are most widely used by people compared to other gadgets. So, tablet should replace textbooks. Yes, I agree with the topic. This is because students do not have to carry heavy books in their bags. Whenever students go to class, they will feel less burden. Other than that, students may have forgotten to bring their textbooks to class while bringing their tablets helps them to submit their works on time. Moreover, students can find more information fast and easily compared to textbooks. Tablets can save more time than textbooks due to students can stay focused on their studies and they have an easy method to study. Thus, tablets should replace textbooks to make students' education system easy. Do you agree with my point, Tashini?
Yes, Anusha, I agree with your point. I have suggestion to add students do not have to buy books accordingly. Instead that we can use tablets to replace textbooks which save our money. Let me explain that. We do not have to buy lots of textbook for each subjects which may cost too expensive. Lots of textbooks will cause students to feel stressed and not interested because it is so thick and not attractive. Furthermore, textbooks are mostly in paragraph form, which is more complicated for students to understand rather than tablets, which is more attractive, including with short notes, photos, and videos. Tablets can hold hundreds of textbooks on one device, plus homework, quizzes, and other files, eliminating the needs for physical storage of books and classroom materials. As well as tablets give users the ability to highlight and edit text and write notes without ruining a textbook for the next user. Tablets have a search function, a backlighting option to read in low light, and a built-in dictionary. Interactive diagrams and videos increase student creativity, motivation, attentiveness, and engagement with classroom materials.
Let me jump in here. I have different perception based on your point that not every student can able to buy tab which is more expensive. Moreover, nowadays technology are improving day by day which affects the increment cost of tablet. To add more tablet contribute to eye strain, headache and blood pressure, increase the excuses available for not doing their homework. In my opinion, tablet will be dysfunctional due to excessive usage when students use social medias and other apps such as Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. Cause tablet becomes dysfunctional. This gives students more trouble when they are studying in class using tablets. It also distracts students from being focused on studies. To overcome these troubles, students can use app timer to set time limit for apps which not regretting to studies. Therefore, textbook should replace tablets to avoid consequence of using tablets. Do you agree with my point, Shankari?
Yes, I agree with your point, Jagdishwari. In my point of view, tablets will not be serving its actual purpose. In this technology world, students are more related to tablets and they also know more information about the usage of technology. Staring this point, students mostly show their interest using tablets more than studying. In that case, teachers will not able to know students are using tablets for their correct purpose because teachers cannot guide each and every student in the class. This will be a great opportunity for students to misuse the tablets in a negative way. This will be the biggest factor of students to become weak in their studies and cannot score well in their examination. Plus, the usage of tablets can influence students in a negative way, which can lead to social issues such as sexual harassment, smoking, cyberbullying, and so on. Here, to prevent this from happening to students, textbooks should replace tablets. From this, students will be able to give their full focus in the class and teachers can make sure students concentrating well in every class. So, do you agree or disagree with the topic, Anusha?
Yes, Shankari, I agree with the topic.
What is your point of view, Darshini?
In my point of view, I disagree with the topic.
Okay, how about Jagdishwari?
I too disagree with the topic, Shankari.
In conclusion, the majority is saying that textbooks should replace tablets. So, we all decided to disagree with the topic. To brief all above, using tablets have more negative effects compared to textbooks, which help students to score well in their studies. That's all for now. Thank you, guys.